Couples of Reddit, what's the most unromantic thing that's happened between the two of you that actually is a stronger indication of love than others might think? 1. I had MRSA and my wound had to be packed with silver nitrate and wound tape to assure it didn't close over before healing. That meant my relatively new boyfriend was 2x daily putting me in agonizing pain and first pulling blood and pus-soaked packing material out of a hole in my arm. He was then ruthlessly shoving clean materials back in. I knew then he was the one. We've been happily married over 10 years now. 2. I was throwing up in front of him for the first time. He was holding my hair back with one hand whilst eating a Big Mac with the other. Zero hesitations. 3. In the first months of dating during one of our first intimate encounters my partner stopped to point out a weird hard spot on one of my balls. At the time it was a bit embarrassing, but when I got diagnosed with cancer a few weeks later I was really grateful. We've been together for 8 years now. 4. My husband had a thrombosed hemorrhoid that needed an incision. After the procedure I helped him make sure it was healing properly and shrinking by looking into his ass every day. I needed to make sure there was no infection. If that ain't love I don't know what is. 5. I had a severe attack of gastroenteritis. It was coming